I'm Amy Hajari Case. I am a pulmonologist and interstitial lung disease specialist. I am the medical director for pulmonary and critical care research, and I am the chief of the advanced lung disease program.
A clinical trial is a type of medical research that involves patients and an intervention. So, an intervention can be a medication, a procedure, a type of therapy, a device. And that therapy is being tested to see how effective it is in humans for their disease state.
Hi, Miss Keeter, how are you?
The majority of the studies that we do are for patients with advanced lung disease, mostly rare lung diseases. And patients who are living with rare disease often do not have good clinical treatment options. And so that's why clinical research and clinical trials are so important, because without those, new therapies are never developed. There's also the potential for helping people in the future. Clinical research, may develop a new treatment, but even when a new therapy does not show promise in the clinical trial, so it doesn't meet its endpoints, we still learn a lot from the process, and the data that is collected can go on to refine future therapies. So it is a bit altruistic in some ways, but it is an important thing for people to participate in.
Keep just like that. Perfect.
They get a lot of testing. A lot of that testing is for safety, and they get a lot of testing to look for outcomes. And so one thing that patients need to know is that it's a lot of commitment in many ways to participate in a clinical trial. Visits to the site are much more frequent many times, but the contact with the clinical research coordinator, with the investigator, with the team is more frequent. So you get more oversight, more monitoring, and a closer relationship with your medical team, and just bringing them some truth and real trustworthy knowledge that's based in science, and then talking about what we can do instead of what our limitations are. And I think clinical research helps bring that hope as well, right? If there's not a great option here, what can we do? And is this something else you might be interested in to bring yourself more hope and a little agency in a situation that feels like you're out of control? And we're really hoping to see that these therapies will slow disease progression, maybe one day halt it, and help people live better lives for longer with fewer symptoms.